In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make $10,000 a month with GoHighLevel Snapshots by turning them into a software as a service, or SaaS. If you're looking for a scalable method to grow your revenue, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this exciting journey and explore how you can transform your GoHighLevel Snapshots into a thriving business model. Firstly, let's talk about why transitioning into SaaS mode with GoHighLevel is such a lucrative opportunity. SaaS is all about providing software solutions through the internet, allowing you to offer powerful tools and services on a subscription basis. This not only creates a stable and predictable revenue stream, but also scales effortlessly as you bring more clients onto your platform. Now with GoHighLevel's SaaS mode, you have the opportunity to offer a suite of powerful services wrapped in one seamless package. Think CRM access, automation tools, funnels, MNS systems, and reputation management tools. These are all invaluable resources for any business looking to streamline operations and maximize efficiency. So how can you begin this transformative journey? Start by setting up your business structure to support subscription-based services. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of your target market and tailor your offerings to meet their specific needs. By doing your research and emphasizing how these services can resolve pain points for businesses, you're already laying a strong foundation for customer acquisition. Next, ensure that the GoHighLevel snapshots you're utilizing are well optimized. These snapshots essentially act like templates that you can offer to clients, enabling them to hit the ground running with a ready-made setup. It's your job to customize these to suit various industries and business models, catering to the unique needs of your prospective clients. Marketing your SaaS effectively is another key component. Leverage platforms like social media, email marketing, and even direct outreach to showcase the value of your subscription-based offerings. Demonstrating how businesses can save time and money by using your service can position you as an invaluable resource. As clients come on board, you'll need to provide impeccable customer support. This involves guiding them through initial setup, addressing any technical issues, and regularly checking in to ensure they're maximizing the tools you've provided. Strong customer relationships lead to long-term subscriptions, and that's exactly the heart of successful SaaS business models. Finally, always be open to feedback and continuously seek out ways to enhance your service offerings. Whether that's introducing new tools or refining existing processes, staying innovative keeps your business ahead of the competition. By following these steps, you're not just capitalizing on a unique opportunity to make $10,000 a month, but you're also building a sustainable business model that provides immense value to new and existing clients alike. Keep your focus on delivering quality, and you'll see results that speak for themselves. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scaling.